Hey guys, good morning and happy Sunday. Today I'm going to get my second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, as well as have a bit of a celebration today because today's a very special day to me. And I decided to do a little vlog because I have not done a vlog on my channel in a very long time. And I would like to take you guys along with me for my day. So I just got up about a half an hour to 45 minutes ago. I had coffee already. Let me show you guys my extremely cute mug. Her name is Piney. So this is Piney, and I had coffee and I'm gonna go get ready, trying to film a video before I go, and then I'll be on my way. Hey guys, I'm back again. I just finished filming my video and it should be up after this video, so stay tuned for that. I am ready and dressed to go. Should I do a fit check? I think I'll do a fit check. Okay, this is absolutely my favorite dress, and that's my outfit for today. I have to be there, which is by the Nagar site, by 9 o'clock. Not by 9 o'clock, it's actually between 9 and 5 p.m. but I have other plans for my day, so I'm trying to get there as early as possible. So I'm trying to reach for 9 o'clock. It's after 8 already. So let me get going before I run really late. Alright, so I'll catch you guys on the road. Hi guys, update. So I finished, got my second jab. I couldn't record inside at all because they were very strict about that, even though I saw other people using their phone, but let's not get into that. So actually on my way home now, I'm gonna get ready to go out again, hopefully if the rain stops, and have a little celebration. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so plan A closed down. So we're gonna go to plan B. So we're at Bite Me Bistro because Plan A closed down. Plan A was Patience. If anybody knows where Patience went to, please let me know. Alright, let's go. Right, so I got a caramel macchiato, and then we have a mocha frappuccino with coffee spares. Coffee spares are the best thing ever created in life. Cheers. Now the end of the day, and I have had a full nice day, so I'm getting ready to wind down for bed. I'm just gonna light some candles and make some tea and watch a movie and have a great night. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I know it was kind of short. The day didn't go exactly how I planned or we planned, but I still enjoyed it. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Drive through water.